The MBA helped me identify it as a business leader by giving me the credibility to move forward into the business spaces where I hadn't necessarily operated before or worked before with a great deal of confidence. And it also signals to folks that I am asking to work with, want to work with, or who maybe want to work with me, that they can trust me, they can count on me.
The Executive MBA program really afforded me an opportunity not only to still maintain my job as a physician during the day, but also learn more about business fundamentals during my after hours.
I loved it because it'd been many years since I'd been in school. The information that you learned was one thing, but learning from the cohort was incredibly powerful because every one of us came to the table with experience. And so you're having conversation with people, things that you've read in abstract, there are people in the room who've actually done it and who can say, this is what it looked like for me.
I wanted to continue the momentum on my career, so I think that's why the EMBA became such an attractive option. I could continue working, but also in a structured environment, acquire those skills that I think would help me be a bigger value add for my organization when I got into more leadership positions in the company, and I think the UW provided that for me.
And so I would say that it's an incredibly valuable skill set that people should get, no matter your industry, because you need to know how to make what you're doing have impact, be sustainable, successful, so that that purpose that is in your heart that you want to deliver is effectively delivered and sustained for the long term.